Hello, some additional technical information. So I'm gonna run here the tests. So if you go on the project directory, you will find in tests a file named test ODTAValidator.js. You have a bunch of tests. There are 10 tests realized there to look if we can insert the data assets or not in the smart contract to get it to change administrator right and all those things. So here I'm in the project folder. I'm just to run truffle tests so that you see all the tests happens on a good way without having any issues. Again, I'm using my local Ganache CLI. So everything is alright, no error regarding compilation. And now you see the ODTA validator. We have test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everything is passing without any issues. Some additional information on this. So in the SRC, you have, if you go here, the application that has been developed. So here you have the HTML file, and then you have all the JavaScript that connects to the Web3 browser provider, and then you have the different function when you push on the different button of the application. So everything is in source .js. Important point to use the demonstrator. As I mentioned, you absolutely need to edit the data asset .json and put here on a hard-coded way the public address of your um, account used on MetaMask. This is to facilitate the demonstrator. Then you have the different contracts here on the contracts, and the main one, this is this one, this is ODTA Validator Smart Contract. It's running on Solidity 0.7, and here you have the definition. Everything has been described, it, all the method, the argument, and all those steps. Just as information, we have also used an eternal storage diamond storage to illustrate this. So this is this ODTA storage. So we use here some assembly code to illustrate how to use assembly and have eternal storage. We also in the validator use the safe math libraries because at some point we are counting the total number of assets to avoid a buffer overflow. We use these libraries, which is placed here in util. This is an audited one, safe math, so I have reused the codes. And then in build, you find the different ABI signature. And for this one, this is the ODTA validator, which is the entry point. Then we find the truffled configuration here. So we see we are using for the development locally, it's the Ganache, and then the Rinkeby will be used to publish the smart contract on Rinkeby. So don't forget to put your mnemonic and your Infura URL. It's important. Then you have the JSON one, packet JSON used by NPM. So this is more or less the configuration. You have here the README file where there is a description of the project. You have the project scope. I set up the business case, different user scenarios, and at the end to really give better clarity. I invite the reader to go to this Git books where everything is describing. So design architecture, security aspect, methods, a data model, how to set up the web demonstrator, and all those stuff. Everything is described here. There is also links referred to the demonstrator video published on YouTube. So I hope it's helping you to use this.